Hello, hello, I'm Palaya Extra Thing. For those who've been following me, they know I've been doing some stuff with a 2020 Rav4. It's something that it's not get used a lot, but I got some new parts I'm gonna be installing, and it's a lower suspension from Godspeed, Godspeed Traction.S, and I'll show you also what's under the Rock Auto box. So I already semi-opened the box. I'm going to open it and show you the part number. First time I opened this. So that's the part number here, if you want to look at it. And don't forget, this is a front wheel drive. So that's why they say front wheel drive. So that's a 2020, so this works from the 19s and up. So if I open the box, this is what we have. On a later video, I'll explain why I'm installing these. So the way it is, it's supposed to drop 1.2 inch in front and 1.4 inch in the back. Another video, I'll measure the before and after once everything's installed and settled. So that's for the springs, the Godspeed. And you could use these with your factory struts, but they recommend if you have aftermarket. The only one I found was the KYBs. Actually, the struts are heavier than the springs. I was surprised how light the springs are. So if you're looking for any weight saving, so these are, there's a left and a right. Now which one is which, I don't know. So I'll show you this part number here. Okay, hold on, and I'll take the other one out. I'm not sure if there's a left and a right, honestly, but it could be. Yeah, you see the number is different. I'll put them both on the ground. So if you want to have KYBs, you need to order these. Now I'm going to open this one here. The box is somewhat half open already. And should be nothing spectacular. Just the strut, the XLG KYB. Now I cannot tell you right now if it's left or right. I'll have to go check the part numbers on Rock Auto. Actually, it's a good price. Everything, it's not super expensive. Obviously, in Canada, it cost me a little bit more. So I'm gonna try to have this installed the next 2-3 weeks. Right now, I'm still finishing my racing season with my Fusion. I have another big day tomorrow at Napierville. And that's it. I'll come back. I'll tell you exactly why I'm doing this on the Rav4. And keep in mind, this thing has only like 13,000 kilometers, which is not even 8,000 miles. And it's a 2020. So on that note, thank you, take care, and talk to you soon.